So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 8 mathematics chapter 3 understanding quadrilaterals. So today I will be solving exercise 3.1 question number 1 to 7. I will be solving all this first exercise today. Let me complete. So let me start. So here exercise 3.1 question number 1, given here are some figures. Okay, now this is the first figure. Now what I'll have to see, you'll have to classify each of them on the basis of the following. So the first one is a simple curve. Now which are the simple curves in this? So let me take you all here. Simple curve means a simple curve is a curve that does not cross itself. So the first one from this. Now this is a simple curve. So I will directly draw it over here only. So this is the first one is the simple curve. The next one is this figure 2 from this is a simple curve, right? It does not cross. Then figure 5 from here, which is the figure 5 here. Next is the figure 6 and 7. These are coming under simple curve. Okay, so I can take down this. Next, moving towards the next one, B1. Simple closed curve. In simple closed curves, the shapes are closed by line, segment, or by a curved line. Now the first one from the figure, the simple closed curve is the first one is the simple closed curve again. Okay. So I hope you can see this clearly, okay? Like this way, the figure 1. So I can take down this properly. And then even figure 2 from the figure, here you can see figure 2 is also the simple closed curve. Next is figure 5, 6 and 7. Again, they are simple closed curve. They are also coming under simple closed curve. Okay, so I can take down that. Okay, figure 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. They are simple closed curves. Now C1 is polygon. Now which of these is a polygon? Let us see, but we need to know what is a polygon first. Right? Polygon, a simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called polygon. So the figure 1 is the only polygon which is made up of line segments, and figure 2 is also made up of a line segment. So here the figure 1 and 2 is made up of line segments, so it comes under polygon. Now next is the convex polygon. Now which are the convex polygon? Now let us see first what is a convex polygon. A convex polygon is defined as a polygon which has no portion of the diagonal in their exterior. So the second figure will be a convex polygon. The second figure from this convex polygon. Okay. Now moving towards the E1, that is concave polygon. Now which of these is a concave polygon? Let us see. I can take down. But let us see first what is a concave polygon. A concave polygon is defined as a polygon which one or more interior angles greater than 180. So the figure 1 is a concave polygon. Okay, so I can take down this. Take down this question number 2. How many diagonals does each of the following have? A convex, quadrilateral, a regular, hexagon, a triangle. Now we know that a quadrilateral will have how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Here you can see convex quadrilateral. A convex quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. Here you can see a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral A, B, C, D, you all can see there are 2 diagonals. One is AC, one is BD. Here also I have drawn a quadrilateral here. So one is AC and BD. So basically there are 2 diagonals. Okay, AC and BD are the 2 diagonals in this. Now we are done with this. Now we will see a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon. Let us see how many side does it has. How many diagonals does it has? Okay. So this is a regular hexagon. So basically it is having a side. Now this is A, this is D, this is E, and this is F over here, and this is C, and this is B. You can just count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So total it has, how many diagonals does it has? A regular hexagon is having 9 diagonals. So total number of diagonal is 9. Here are the diagonals AD. So you can see AD, AE. Next is AE, then BD, B and D, B and E, then FC, F and C, and A and C. Then we have E and C. Then we have F and D. F and D here. Total there are 9 diagonals. So total number of diagonals is 9 in this. A regular hexagon is having a 9 diagonals. Okay. Answer for this one is 2 diagonals. And here it will be a total 9 diagonals. Okay, let us see here for triangle. For triangle, we know that a triangle has no diagonal. A triangle has no diagonals because no 2 consecutive vertices. Okay, so basically what will be your answer? No diagonal. Okay, so I can take down this all. I hope you have understood question number 3. You all can take down this question first, that what is the sum? Sum means we are adding of the measures of the angles. So we will be adding the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral. So they are asking what will be the sum of the measures of the angle of the convex quadrilateral. And will this property holds if the quadrilateral is not convex? So if it is not convex, will this property be holding? Make a non-quadrilateral and try. So you have to make a non-convex quadrilateral and try. So let us try this. First you can draw this quadrilateral. Okay. Okay, you all can take down this solution and you all can draw quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and here you all can see angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So in this part, so diagonal is AC is a diagonal and it divides this quadrilateral into 2 halves. So if one half will be, there will be angle 1, 2, 3. In the second half there will be angle 4, 5, 6. So what I'll need to do is write down ABCD is a convex quadrilateral made up of 2 triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ADC. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we are counting all these angles. So we know it is divided into 2 triangles. This quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles and the sum of the triangle is 180. So angle 6 plus angle 5 and angle 4. Count. Add all these angles. Angle 6 plus angle 5 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. What will be the reason? Sum of angles of triangle ABC is equal to 180. The next thing what I am going to do is, the second triangle you will have to add angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. So that will be equal to 180. Sum of angle of triangle ADC is equal to 180 degree. So we have to add all these triangles. Okay, adding we get angle 6 plus angle 5 plus angle 4 plus angle 1, 2, 3. We have to add all this. So 6, 5, 4 is giving you nothing but 180. Then angle 1, 2, 3 will give you 180. So if you add this 180 plus 180. If you add this 180 plus 180, what you are going to get is 8 plus 8 will be 16. So basically you will get 360. So here is the 360 is the answer. So what will be the sum of the convex quadrilateral? 360. So I can take down the final statement over here. Hence, the sum of measure of the triangle of a convex quadrilateral is 360. As even quadrilateral is not convex, then this property applies. Let ABCD be a non-convex quadrilateral joint BD, which also divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. So let us take one more. So this is a one more quadrilateral, that is ABCD, and we have joined B and D. So here you can see this. Using the angle sum property, the triangle ABCD is a concave quadrilateral made up of two triangles ABD and BCD. Therefore, the sum of the interior angle of the quadrilateral will be 180 plus 180. We know sum of a triangle is 180 and here 180. So if you add those, you will get 360. Okay. Down the question number 4, that is examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angle reduced from that. So your triangle is given and it is divided into some parts. So this is 3, this is 4 and 5 and here 6. Okay, so angle sum is also given. These are the sides. So when your n is equal to 7, what you all are going to do? So you all are going to write down the question first. What can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with number of sides a is equal to 7? Okay, you all can say when n is equal to 7, when the number of side is equal to 7. Suppose when n is equal to 7, what you all are going to say about this? Then angle, directly write down, then this is the solution, okay? Then angle sum of a polygon is equal to, what is the formula which we are going to use over here? This is n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Okay, we are only going to substitute the value. So that will be, now what is your n? N is given to be 7 over here. So replace n by 7. So this will be 7 minus 2. Right? 7 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So multiply by 180 degree. So now 7 minus 2 is going to give you all 5. So 5 you all have to multiply with 180. And see what you all are going to get. So multiply 18 5s are 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90 will be your answer. So 9, 0 and then add this one more 0 is there. Okay, so 900 degree. Okay, next let us see the next one when n is equal to, next is when n is equal to 8. What we are going to do? So the angle sum, this is the B1, right? So let me write down the B1 over here, that is when n is equal to 8. So then angle sum of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Now here what you'll have to do over here is, now what is your n given? 8. So replace n by 8. So 8 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So 8 minus 2 will give you what? 8 minus 2 will give you 6. So 6 multiplied by 180. So we multiply this 180, 18 multiplied by 6, 48, right? Then 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 108. Then 1080 you'll have to do it, okay? So this will be your answer, 1080 degree. Okay, now let us see when C is equal to 10, what happens? For the third one, what you all are going to do? When n is equal to 10, the angle sum of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. You have to replace n by 10. So 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So similar one you all can do it. 10 minus 2 will give you 8. multiplied by 180. So you'll have to multiply this. What your answer you are going to get? 180 multiplied by it will give you. Multiply this and see 1440 degree you will get. Okay. Next, let us see. Now next it is n minus 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, n is equal to n is given. When n is equal to n, then angle sum of a polygon n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So it will remain as it is. Okay. Okay, you can take down the question number 5. What is a regular polygon? Now let us see what is a regular polygon. State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. So first, what is a regular polygon? So give the answer of what is a regular polygon. Regular polygon, a polygon having all sides of equal length and the interior angles of equal measure is known as a regular polygon. That is, a regular polygon is both equiangular and equilateral. Okay, so this is the definition of the regular polygon. Now state the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides. Now for 3-sided figure, what we say? 3-side polygon having 3 sides is called triangle, but you all are going to say it is a equilateral triangle. Okay, this one, equilateral triangle. Okay, in place of this is called equilateral triangle. Okay. So for equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal and as well as the sides are equal. So when we talk about the next one, that is, we are done with the 3-sided figure. Now state and name the regular polygon of 4 sides, right? Now 4 side means what we have is 4 side polygon having 4 sides is called square or quadrilateral. Even you can call it as quadrilateral. Okay, I can just take down this. Next, moving towards the next one, that is 6-sided figure. What do you call for 6-sided polygon figure? Take down 6 side is equal to polygon having 6 side is called hexagon or regular hexagon. H it is. Okay. So this is the answer from here to here only. Okay. This I have just substituted because 6 side means what I have done is n minus 2 is into 180, right? So n minus means 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4 multiplied by 180 and you all got is 720. But this part is not required. This is extra. The main part is still here. Polygon having 6 sides is called hexagon or regular hexagon. Okay, this is the answer. So we are done with the third one also. So I hope you have understood. Now you can take down this question number 6. Find angle, measure x in the following figures. That is, we need to find this angle x over here. So let us see. What is given? 50, 130, 120 and x. So sum of quadrilateral is nothing but 360. We know that, right? So write down. So what we need to do is add all this. 50 plus 120 degree plus, okay, we need to add all this. There is no place here. Okay, so let me start here. So the solution I will start here. 50 degree, we need to add all this interior. Okay, 150 plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So now add this, what you will get? 50 plus 130. So it will be 150, 160, 170, 180. 180 plus 120 will give you 300. Right? So you can write down. So write down 300 degree plus x is equal to 360. So what you are going to do? X is equal to 360 minus 300. Okay. So what will be your answer? X is equal to 60 degree. So what I'll have done over here is This 300 you all have brought it the other side. You have taken it other side, so the sign will change. It will become minus 300. So 360 minus 300 is nothing but 60. So what is the value of x? 60 degree. Okay, now let us do the second one, that is B1. We need to find the value of x here. So here one value is not given, but we know that this will be also 90 degree. What we do is linear pair. So if we consider this part as A, so if we do A plus 90 is equal to 180. So A is equal to 180 minus 90. If you all do, you will get A to be 90 degree. Okay, so I can write down it to be 90 degree. Okay, so this we got. Okay, so let me directly write down, start from here. Add all this 70 degree plus x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 360 degree. Okay, now we need to add all this and see what answer we are going to get. 70 plus 90 will give you all 160. 160 plus 60 is going to give you all 220, right? So I can write down 220 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. So I can write down x is equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree. So if you subtract this, what you are going to get? The value of x to be? The value of x will be 140 degree. Okay, moving towards the next one. This one. So here it is not given. So consider it as A, this part. And this part I can consider it as B. Okay. So let us find the linear pairs first. So A plus 70 is equal to 180. So this you will say it as linear pair. So A is equal to 180 minus 70 is going to give you all what? A is equal to 110 degree. Next let us find B plus 60 is equal to 180. That is again a linear pair. LP it is. So B is equal to 180 minus 60 is going to give you all what? B is equal to 120. Now we can easily add the interiors. 30 plus x plus A and B. So directly add 30 plus x plus 120 plus 110 plus is equal to, so is equal to what is going to come over here? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the previous ones there were 4. So this is how many side figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a pentagon. Okay, so what is the sum of pentagon? It is nothing but 540. We know that, right? Sum of pentagon is 5-sided figure. It is 540. Sum will be 540. So if you add this 120 plus 110 plus 30, what you are going to get? So it will be 220, 230 and 260 it will be, right? So I can write down 260 plus 2x. How many x variables are there over here? 2x. 1, 2. So there are 2x. So this is 540, write it as it is. Now you all can write down 2x is equal to 540 upon 260 is equal to 540 upon minus 260 it is. So you'll have to subtract first. So 540 minus 260 is going to give you all 280. And this divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8, 2 zeros are. So therefore what is the value of x? So the value of x we got is 140 degree. Okay. Now moving towards the D1, the last one. So here what is given to you all? X is given. We need to find x. There is no numbers, nothing. No need to get this thing. So all will be x. 1, 2, here this will be x, this side it will be again x, this side also it will be x. Okay, so here it is, how many x are there? 1 2 3 4 5 x are there. Okay, so basically what we need to do is we need to add all these x. 1 2 3 4 5 is equal to 540, it is right, 540 degree. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to add all this x. So how many x are there? 5x, right? 1 2 3 4 5. So write down 5x is equal to 540. So what I am going to do is x is equal to 540 divided by 5. Okay, then you can cancel. 5 ones are 5, then 5 ones are 5, then we are not getting this, so it will be 0, and then there will be a 5 8s are 40, so 108 will be your answer. So therefore what is the value of x? X is equal to 108 degree. Okay, so I hope question number 7 you all can take down this x plus, we need to find x plus y plus z. Okay, we need to add this. First let us find out the x, y and z. So we know that 30 90 is given, we need to find the third part. So let us add this. But before that we can consider the inside part to be, we can take it as a. Okay, then we know the sum of angle sum property, that is equal to 180. Sum of triangle is 180. So write down 90 plus 30 plus a is equal to 180. So I can add this, you will get 120 plus a is equal to 180. Now a is equal to 180 minus 120. What will be your answer? A is equal to, your answer will be 60 degree. Now we got here to be 60 degree. So we can find out the linear pair. A plus y is equal to 180. Okay, let us do the linear pair. A plus y is equal to 180. So this is your linear pair. Now y is what? A is given to be what? We need to find a, we got 60 plus y is equal to 180. 60 plus y is equal to 180. So I can write down y is equal to 180 minus 60 will give you y is equal to 120. So what I have done over here is this 60 will go other side, so the sign will change. So it will be y is equal to 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 will give you 120. So what is the value of y over here is 120. Okay. Now let us find the linear pair of this 90 plus x. So write down 90 plus x is equal to 180. So I can write down x is equal to, here I can write down x is equal to 180 minus 90. So what will be the value of x is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so x you got 90 degree. Next let us find out the value of z. Z plus 30. Let us do here only z plus 30 is equal to 180. And this will be a linear pair. Here also it is a linear, sorry not here, here it is a linear pair. Okay, so you will get what? Z is equal to 180, here it is 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 is going to give you all what? 150. So Z is equal to 150. Now we need to add all that x. Therefore, you all can say that x plus y plus z is equal to, now what is your x? 90 plus y is 120 plus 150. So if you add all this, what you are going to get is the sum of this, all this 90 plus 120 plus 150 is 360 degree. Okay, so I hope you have understood this problem. Now moving towards the next one. The next one, let me start here. Now again it is similar one, only here the value is not given, so we can take it as B. Okay, and add the interior one. What is the sum of quadrilateral interior? 1, 2, 3, 4, 360. So add all this, 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree plus B is equal to 360. So what is the sum of the quadrilateral? It is 360. So we need to add 80 plus 60 plus 120. Now 120 plus 80 you will get 200, 10, 260 plus B. I can directly write down 260 degree plus B is equal to 360, right? So I can take down B is equal to 360 minus 260 will give you how much? So what will be the value of B over here? It will be 100. Now can you all find all these values? Let us find out the value B plus W. Therefore, B plus W is equal to 180. That will be the linear pair. Linear pair. Now B is 100. W we don't know. We need to find out the value of W. Now this is equal to 180. So what we are going to do is W is equal to 180 minus 100, which will give you, what will be the value of W? The value of W is going to be 80. Therefore, you can write down W is equal to 80. Next, let us find out the second one. Let us find out X. 120 plus X. So 120 plus X is equal to 180. That will be the linear pair. So X is equal to 180 minus 120. So what will be the value of X? Will be equal to nothing but 60 degree. So what we got? X 60 degree. Now we need to find the value of y plus 80. So do y plus 80 is equal to 180. So what will be the y is equal to? Write down y is equal to 180 minus 80. If you all do 180 minus 80, what answer you are going to get? The value of y will be equal to 180 minus 80 will give you 100. So what is the value of y? 100. Okay. Next, let us see. Now we need to find the value of z plus 60. So z plus 60, here this was a linear pair here, okay, and this is also is equal to 180, and this will be the linear pair. So z is equal to 180 minus 60 will give you z is equal to 120 degree. Therefore we need to add all this, right? We need to find what? X plus y plus z plus w. X plus y plus z plus w. Now what is our x? What we got is 60 degree plus 100 plus 120 plus 80. Okay, so what we need to do is x, the value of x is given to be 60, the value of y is given to be 100, value of z is 120, and the value of w is 80. So add all this and see what answer you are going to get. Basically this is equal to, so let us add all these numbers. So 60, okay, 100 plus 120 means 220 plus 80 will give you 300 plus 60 will give you 360. So what answer you are getting is 360 degree. Okay, so this is the way you all have to do it. So I hope you have understood, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, queries, you all can comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.